Any truck still running? Get up here to the vents.
Can we stop it?
Lock me out. If this pressure gets to 15,000 psi, the poison will reach all the way down to the nest.
Come on, buddy, wake up! You can do it!
Valves! Come on, come on. Righty tighty. We have to stop the poison! It's not working. We're too late.
Joe, get out! Save yourself!